welcome to Patty Puckett Pouring Art. Tonight I'm going to be doing the third of the series of my triptych paintings. This is the first one I did, and with the web effect. So cool. I mean, I know it looks orange, but it's actually really bright red. And then here's the second one, still drying. So tonight I'll be doing the third one, and I'll be right back. Hi everyone. Alright, I'm back. Let's do this. I wanted to talk about the colors I'm using. This is Craft Smart Black, and just Floetrol and some water, and it just barely leaves a mound and then it just sinks. So the consistency is very, very thin. And the red, which is a mixture of Bare Winter Poinsettia and Artist Loft Red, and it leaves a mound and sinks in. This might be a little bit thicker, but my base is going to be thinner than this, so I have another cup with a thinner base. And this is the silver, which is Creative Inspiration Silver, and I mixed it with Artist Loft White. And same thing, it barely leaves a mound and it sinks in. Actually, I need to put a little more water into that one. It thickens up so quick, just from sitting for half an hour. A little bit more. So I'm trying to keep all three of the paintings the same paint, the same consistencies, so they'll all go together really well. So there you go, same. Okay, so I'll be right back. Well, let's go ahead and do this first. I'm going to put it in the cup the way I have, and that usually is the red first. I need to go about right there. The red first, and then the black. Black's probably going to sink. That's what it's been doing. And then the silver. The black just sunk right down. Black's usually heavier. This is a little more paint than I used on the other ones. That's fine. Okay, I'm going to put this aside, and I'm going to put a thinner base coat of red down, and I'll be right back. Okay, I got the red base down. What I use is the little silicone barbecue brush, and it seems to level out just fine. As long as your paints are thin enough, it'll level out. So that cleans really easily. All the colors I'm using will be in the section below, the little arrow. If you push that, it'll have all the comments with the colors I've used and the brands. If you want to, I would appreciate it if you would push that subscribe button. Where is it? Right there. Push that and subscribe. That way you won't miss any videos that I put up. So let's get started. Alright, I think this is more paint than I used before. So I'm going to start, this. So I'm just going to do a pour like I did before. I didn't do it as fast. webbing. I want it to hold together, but I can only stretch it so far. I think I've hit that. Okay. It's still showing up as orange on the screen that you're probably seeing, and I tried to fix that with the white balance. I'm going to have to work on that again more with my camera settings. Alright, I think it'll go nice as a triptych with my other two. Let me bring it down a little bit. So now I'm going to wait and see if we can get some of those red pearls. There's a few of them coming up over here. I'll be back in about 15 minutes, and then I'll decide what I'm going to do with the red parts that are here. So I'll be right back. Alright, not much happened with the red this time coming up through the webbing. I have an area right over here. Nothing's really coming up over here yet. There's some tiny red dots coming up here. So who knows? It's paint pouring. So right now I think I'm going to run some lines across here like on the other paintings, and I'm going to put some black dots over in this corner, and I think I'm going to put some of the light silver dots on this corner, so that way it all ties in together. So I'm hoping and then when this dries, I'll put all three of them together and put it at the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. If it changes anymore, I'll come back. If not, we'll just have some still pictures at the end. Have a great night. Cheers.